If you like this content, drop a like, hit that subscribe, drop a comment. What pack do you use, and do you find this content useful? Welcome back everyone. In this video, as you can visually see, I've got a backpack and a pump. What's happened? The pump has died, so I'm going to switch out with a chemical pump from DA Components. It's very easy to do. Well, I think it's going to be easy. I've not done it yet. As you can see, this is the pump from DA Components. It's a chemical pump. Yeah, it's on a job the other day and the backpack just died. It weren't pumping no water, so just presume it's the pump. So going to swap out. Let's get set up. Okay, the first thing you need to do is undo these screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that will reveal the pump. So that's the pump in there. So I've got to replace sort of that with a new chemical pump. So I need to undo this. Once you get it loose enough, you can then turn it by hand. Right. That's mostly hitting on this blue outer sort of a casing. So undo these screws here. Pop over it. That should, if get some pliers. Pop out like that. Now that can come off. What I need to do is to cut these wires because the new pump has got some nice new Wago connectors. So obviously this red will go to here, this green will go to this black. And need to okay. Like that. Like that. I think let's cut that by about half. To the black one. Goes like that. what you need to do, you need to take off this union bit. So hopefully that will come like that. Put it back on this one. Slide the because this one's got a different end on, we are not going to use that because, as you can see, it don't fit. So what I've done, so I sort of cut the end off the pipe. I'll put that in some boiling water, and now that should just slide over. Like that. Going to now put the Jubilee clip. Just got to tighten up this Jubilee clip. I went over really tighten it because you don't want to bust the outlet. Maybe one more little nip. So right, now that's done, we need to reassemble it. Trying to think where to put these. I might keep that one around the back here and keep that going around here. Don't know if you can see my fat hands in a way. I'm going to turn this round because that's really tight to get that out. So put that like that. I'm going to open that up. Now you slide this clip down. Gonna thread this, I think, round here. Might even try keep that round here. But yeah, I got the pump from DA Components, and the model number of the pump, if anyone's interested, is EF1000. And it's a 3.8 litres per minute pump, which I believe is the same as the old one. 3.6, so this is actually more powerful, this new one. Well, it should be. Don't do them over tight, just nip them. It's only plastic, you're going to rip the thread out. No, just nip it by hand. So yeah, so the pump's all in now, what I need to do, I need to get a slick connector to go on the end of here, so then that can connect to my water fed pole. That's on order. So all we need to do now is put the base back on, and what I do, I would test it. I put some water in, I turn it on, and that should come out the hose. Fingers crossed. Okay, so that's how you fit a chemical pump, and that's from DA Components. So I'll put the links below for the pump, and that is a Everflow model EF1000 2.0 bar, 40 psi. Flow rate is 3.8 litres per minute. So right, let's put it back together again. Okay, now we've put it all back together, the pump and everything, it is now time to put this base plate back in. Don't forget your screws. It has seen better days, it's busted, but what I want to do just before I do, just to make sure everything is nipped up, and I'm even going to just make sure these are, just in case when they made it, it's not. Yep. 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 Put that like that. Not the best, but that'll do. Right then guys, as you can see, it's all put back together again. The base plate's on, so let's test it out and see if it works. Well then, as you can see, perfection. Anyway, so all fixed, all working. If you like this content, drop a like, hit that subscribe, drop a comment. What backpack do you use? And do you find this content useful? Has this helped you fix your backpack? What do you want to see in my next video? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Catch the next one. Phil from PJB.